In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Canva app delete Gmail unlink. To get started, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Make sure you are signed in to the Google account that is currently connected to Canva. This matters because third-party connections are managed per Google account, so you need to be in the right inbox before you continue. Once you are in Gmail and you see your inbox, look toward the top right area of the page for your Google account profile icon. It may appear as a circle with a photo, a letter, or a simple colored shape. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. In the menu that appears, select Manage your Google account. This will take you to your Google account settings, where you can control security, privacy, and the apps that have access to your data. Give the page a moment to load fully so all options appear correctly. Now, in your Google account settings, find and click the option called Third-Party Apps and Services. This section is where Google lists the apps and services you have connected using Sign In with Google, along with any permissions you previously allowed. This is the correct place to remove the Canva connection so it is no longer linked to your Gmail account. On the third-party connections page, you will see a list of connected services. Use the search field on this page and type the name related to Canva, based on what you are trying to remove. Typing helps you locate the exact connection faster, especially if you have a long list of apps. After you type, select the Canva-related result that appears, such as a Canva integration entry. Click it to open the connection details. This details view is important because it shows what is connected and gives you the removal option. Finally, click Delete all connections you have with Canva charts. Confirm if you are prompted. Once deleted, Google will remove the link between your account and that Canva connection, and the app should no longer have access through Google for that integration. And that is all there is to it.